Hello dear learners, coming towards the next session about the structures of antidepressant drug, that is imipramine hydrochloride, which belongs to dibenzazepine class. So two benzenes and azepine ring. So imipramine hydrochloride belonging to dibenzazepine class. We are going to talk about the structural features and SAR of imipramine hydrochloride. Coming towards the structure now, imipramine hydrochloride, which belongs to the class dibenzazepines, which is a tricyclic antidepressant. So dibenz, as the name suggests, dibenz. So as you can see in the structure, two benzene rings are there. This is first, this is second. This bond is in sharing. So you could not see the bond in the benzene ring itself because it is getting shared with the azepine ring. So dibenzazepine. So azepine is nothing but a 7-member ring which contains, since it is aze, so aza at first position nitrogen attached to hydrogen is attached to the nitrogen. So this ring is nothing but azepine ring. When two benzene rings are attached to azepine, it is known as dibenzazepine. So since imipramine belongs to dibenzazepine, what is the difference? Only name, as you can see in the name, pramine, amine. So amine is there, one more nitrogen is there, and pra means propyl. So 3 carbon का chain है and amine है. So as you can see here, this is 3 carbon chain. CH2 thrice means CH2, 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 pra, that is propyl, and amine. So this is dimethyl amine, right? So this is the substituent present on dibenzazepine at first, this first nitrogen of azepine and 5th number of that of imipramine, that is dibenzazepine ring. So first we will see the numbering. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The nitrogen of azepine is getting 5 number. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. अभी azepine ring को हम लोगों ने साइड्स दे दिए हैं. तो ये साइड्स के नाम क्या है वो अभी हम लोगों को देखना है. तो अभी when you start, since this is a 7-member ring, now this is side A, this is side B, this is side C, this is D, this is E, and this is F. So as you can see, the side B and F, the bond is in sharing with two benzene rings. So it is BF azepine. That means B side and F side and 7-membered ring. So it is benzene is attached, or the benzene bonds are in sharing with the BF side bonds. So this is with azepine, this is with dibenzazepine, and imipramine is propyl and amine. So this is propyl amine. So coming towards the nomenclature of this imipramine hydrochloride, this is now, if you will see the substituent first. So CH3, CH3N, this is what? Dimethyl amino, which is at 3rd position of propyl. So propyl is the parent chain, 3 carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, at 3rd carbon dimethyl amino is present. So but this dimethyl amino propyl is present at 5th position of dibenzazepine. This dibenzazepine ring के 5th position पे dimethyl amino propyl group है, which is a side chain, or you can call it as substituent. So this, for the substituent, this is the parent chain and this is the substituent actual. So it is 3rd position पे, 3rd carbon पे dimethyl amino है and propyl parent chain है, which is attached at 5th position of dibenzazepine. So 5th position of dibenzazepine पे 3rd position के carbon पे propyl के dimethyl amino है, propyl है, bracket complete. Then 10-11 dihydro. Now 10-11 dihydro, why we have written? Because this is saturated bond. That means CH2 is there instead of double bond. So it is 10-11 dihydro. Then 5H. 5H, that means as you can see in this azepine structure, nitrogen पे hydrogen attached है. So fifth position पे, if in imipramine this is the substituent, but if imipramine substituent would have not been there, only dibenzazepine would have been there, then it would have been 5 hydrogen. So it is 5H. That means H instead of H, substituent is present. Dibenz, that is 2-benzene, and BF. BF, as we have discussed earlier, the bond is in sharing with 2-benzene, so it is dibenz azepine, but it is dibenz BF azepine. So the name is fifth position of dibenzazepine in bracket, third position of side chain, main parent side chain, dimethylamino is present. So it is 3-dimethylamino propyl, bracket complete, 10-11 dihydro, 10-11 saturated है, CH2 CH2 है, 10-11 dihydro, 5H fifth position पे hydrogen है. If it would have not been imipramine, and the hydrogen is getting replaced in the imipramine with dimethylamino propyl. So it is 5H dibenz BF azepine. Now coming towards the structural feature and SAR structures, as you can see, this is the benzene ring, this is the azepine ring, this is the propyl side, this is the propyl parent chain, and dimethylamino is the substituent present. So according to the SAR, if these benzene rings are substituted, then they lead to inactive compound. No substitution on the ring is desired, this benzene ring. But if third position is substituted with either halogen or cyanide, this third position halogen or cyanide substitution leads to active compound. It shows the action, higher action. Then if 10th 11th position, instead of dihydro, if double bond is present, then it also leads to increased action. Then this propyl, why this propyl only, why this propane 3 carbon chain only it is there in between the azepine ka ring and the substituent? Why this 3 carbon chain distance is desired? So this 3 carbon chain distance attached to the nitrogen of azepine is desired because this is the minimum possible distance which can lead to active derivative. So 3 carbon chain attached at any position to the ring is desired. It can be straight or it can be branched also, but straight chain is desired instead of branched chain. It can be saturated as well as unsaturated. The chain, this propane, this propyl can be saturated, can be unsaturated, but it should not be branched. So the criteria for this is minimum 3 carbon distance. This 3 carbon can be saturated or unsaturated, but it should not be branched for the activity to be retained. Now this dimethyl amino is very much essential. You can substitute instead of methyl ethyl over here, or further derivatives can be formed, but this dimethyl amino is more potent than diethyl substitution. So instead of CH3 C2H5 can be there, but CH3 substituent is the more potent derivative than ethyl. So diethylamine के वजह पे dimethylamine will give you the more potent compound. So this was about the structural features and SAR of imipramine, which belongs to the antidepressant drug, which can also be known as thymoleptic drugs, and it belongs to the class tricyclic antidepressant. It is a derivative of dibenzazepine. With this, we finish with the video for structural features and SAR of imipramine hydrochloride, which is an antidepressant drug. Thank you for watching the video.